P3, now look at exercise 11b, question number 3. The statement is find the value of the unknown in each of the following right angle triangles. Again, two parts are given here. I will do only one part for you and then you will do part B in homework. So let's come to the solution of question number 3, part A. So this is the figure of question number 3 part A, in which the angle given is 28 degrees, and according to the given angle the adjacent side is 14 centimeter and the opposite side is of a centimeter. So we have the opposite side and the adjacent side. So which formula you will use? You will use TOA. T stands for tan, O stands for opposite, and A stands for adjacent. So we have opposite and adjacent side, that's why we are applying this formula. So the equation becomes tan 28 is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite is a centimeter and adjacent is 14. So it will become a over 14. So the equation becomes a is equal to 14 tan 28. Girls, remember that you just need to convert the calculator modes to DEG, and then first you will find tan 28 and then multiply the given answer with 14, and then you will get 7.44 to 3 significant figures. This is part A of question number 3, and then you will do part B in homework. It's the same as part A. Now look at question number 4 of exercise 11b. Find the values of the unknowns in each of the following right angle triangles. 4 parts are given here. I will do part A and part D for you, and then part B and C you will do it by yourself in homework. So let's come to the solution of part A. And girls, just look at the figure. There are two unknown variables and you are supposed to find out both the values of A and B. So how you will solve? Let's solve. So this is the figure of question number 4 part A, in which the angle given is 34 degrees, hypotenuse is 12 centimeter, and we have two unknown variables, A centimeter and B centimeter. So suppose if you are finding the value of A centimeter, so you will only consider A centimeter and you will omit the second side B centimeter. So according to the given angle, this is a right angle and the side opposite to right angle is called the hypotenuse. So we have hypotenuse 12 centimeter and this is the angle given, and according to this angle, this side is called the opposite side, which is of A centimeter. So we have hypotenuse and opposite. So which formula you will use? You will use so S stands for sine, O stands for opposite, and A stands for hypotenuse. So we have opposite or and hypotenuse, so that's why we are using this formula. And then we will get sine 34 is equal to opposite A and then over 12, hypotenuse A over 12, and then we will get A is equal to 12 sine 34 and then 6.75 to 3 significant figures. This is in this way you will find out the value of A centimeter. And suppose if you are finding the value of B centimeter, then you will only consider B side and you will omit the A side. Okay, so we have B side, and according to this side 34 degrees, B centimeter is the adjacent side of the given angle, and hypotenuse is 12 centimeter. So we have hypotenuse and adjacent. So which formula you will use? You will use C stands for cos, A stands for adjacent, and A stands for hypotenuse. So we will get cos 34 is equal to B over 12, and then 12 is dividing here, then on the other side it will be multiplied. So we will get 9.95 to 3 significant figures. So in this way you will find out the values of A and of B. So this is question number 4 part A. Now look at the figure of question number 4 part D. This is the figure, and in which G centimeter and H centimeter, these two sides are unknown. So again, as you solve part A, similarly you will solve part D. First, you will consider only G centimeter, so you will omit the H side. So according to G centimeter, this is the given angle 21.5. This is right angle, so this side is called the hypotenuse, but we have not value in the hypotenuse, so we will consider only the given sides. So 8.9 centimeter is the opposite side of 21.5 centimeter, and G centimeter is the adjacent side of 21.5 centimeter. So we have the opposite side and adjacent side, so we will apply TOA. Tan 21.5 is equal to opposite 8.9 over adjacent, which is G, and then G is dividing here, then on the other side it will be multiplied, and 10 is multiplying here, then it will be divided. So G is equal to 22.6 to 3 significant figures. Similarly, you will find part A, the value of age, and if you are finding the value of age, so you will omit the G side and we will only consider the 8 centimeter side. So we have the hypotenuse and we have the opposite side. So if you have opposite and hypotenuse, so you will apply sine opposite over hypotenuse, and then we will get age is equal to 24.3 to 3 significant figures. So girls, today we have completed exercise 11B, in which only basic level is included, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the questions I have not done in the classwork, you will do it by yourself in homework. This is all for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will start exercise 11C.